Hi everyone, Nadine here from Stitching and Crafting. Today I'm going to show you how to make a zipper change purse. It's very easy. At first I thought it was hard and I tried it and I found it to be easy. So I decided to show you how you can do it for yourself. It's super cute. So this is the finished and you can zip it. Let me open it for you to show you. So cute, right? So that's it. Now let me close it back. Just put your stuff in it and you zip it up. Okay. So that's it. And you can attach something, a key ring to it, to make it easier for handling. Okay, very nice change purse. How cute. And the thing is, you have to use a sturdy zipper. You have to use a sturdy zipper. All right, so this is how you do it. So the size of this is 2.5 inches by 2.5 inches, and the length of zipper that you will need is like 23 inches or 22 inches, there about 24 inches zip. All right, so this is how you do it. So here goes the length of the zip, 24 inches. So the right side of the zip, I'm gonna take it down to the end of the zip, which is down here, and I'm gonna fold it to 2 inches at the top. Okay, so this is the stop of the zip. Right down here is called the stop. This is where the zip stop. So right down here I fold it to 2.5 inches and I'm gonna start stitching. Okay, so watch me as I start stitching. Let me turn it. Okay, so you start stitching. Lift up my presser foot on my machine. So you start to stitch at the fold, okay? I hope you are seeing it. Oh, the zipper, the thread is out. So I have to thread the machine. Okay, rethread. So this machine has a automatic needle threader. So it's easier to thread. Okay, so I'm rethreading the machine. All right, so as I said, you start stitching at the fold and make sure that you fold it down. You fold this right side of the zip down, and it should be 2.5 inches. The fold should be 2.5 inches at the top of the zipper. Insert it under your machine, under the presser foot, and then you're gonna start stitching. So I have to go back because I need for it to be reinforced. Take your time, okay? Start stitching. When you get to the top of the zip, you are going to turn like this. Also to turn the zipper. So now you're gonna start to stitch across. Okay, take your time. There's no rush. And take your time. There is no rush, take your time. You don't want to break your machine needle or anything, okay? I'm gonna go back a little for reinforcement. Okay, I'm gonna come forward again. Okay, now I'm gonna turn up like this. I'm gonna start to stitch down. So you go down 2.5 inches, then you go across, and then you start to stitch all the way So, okay, take your time, you don't want to damage your machine or anything. Okay, so now you can see these two ends of the zips together. So I'm stitching. My foot is so heavy. But for starter, you just have to take your time. Now when you reach to the end of one end of the zip, you're gonna fold this end right here. You're gonna fold it towards the needle, the machine needle, or fold it away from the other side of the zipper. And now you're gonna bring this other end of the zipper, you're gonna bring it towards, like it's down, so you're gonna take it towards, okay? And at the end of it means this tip right here, this tip right here, you're gonna fold it towards you, okay? So these two ends will meet, and then wherever they meet, you're gonna start to stitch again, okay? I'm lifting my presser foot to make sure that they meet, okay? And then I fold towards me the top of the zipper end, fold it towards me, take down my presser foot and use my index finger to hold it down to make sure. All right, so there it goes. I'm gonna back stitch a little for reinforcement. Now I'm coming down. I'm gonna reinforce again. And that's it, there you have it. So this is what I was talking about, the top of the zipper right here. I fold it towards me. All right, so there you have it. So I'm gonna get the excess threads off. Okay, so it should look something like this. Getting the thread off. Okay, so it should look like this. Okay, so there you have it. And now I'm gonna zip. See? Zip. Okay. Take your time. And zip. Zipping. You keep zipping and zipping and zipping and zipping. Okay, so this is it. I'm gonna get this thread off. It doesn't take long, it's very easy to make, and I think you should try and make it for yourself, okay? Let me finish zipping. So there you have it. Your change purse. How cute, right? Do you like it? If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Tell me what you think in the comment. So this is the first one. This one is a different shape. All right. Tell me what you think, all right? And remember to subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you very much. All right, change purse. Voila. Thank you so much again, and have yourself a wonderful day. As always, peace.